Good evening, friends. I'm Dr. Kanaj Malik, consultant surgical oncology, Sarvodaya Healthcare, Faridabad. Today, I'm going to speak about breast conservation surgery or oncoplastic breast surgery for breast cancers. Breast cancers are amongst the commonest cancers we deal. In India, the incidence rate is around 11.1 per 1 lakh population. Now, as a surgeon, what can we do? How can we help to improve upon the physical and emotional health of our patients who are already undergoing a monumental ordeal of facing this challenge of breast cancer? So, today I'm going to talk about oncoplastic breast reconstruction surgery. What does it mean? As the word oncoplasty suggests, it has two parts. Onco means cancer, and plasty means plastic surgery. So, the basic principle behind oncoplastic breast surgery is combining the principles of cancer treatment with plastic surgery. So, what can we do in this? The basic aim is to minimize the effects of cancer treatment as far as possible without compromising the outcomes, the oncological outcomes. So, in effect, we want that the patient should feel as much as normal before the cancer treatment started as she feels after the cancer treatment has been complete after the completion of cancer treatment. So, what are the various ways, various methods we can do to achieve that? Now, the oncoplastic breast surgery means that first of all, we have to understand in which patients can we do it. Is it recommended for all patients? No. It is recommended for certain select patients having early breast cancer, in which they have a small lump as compared to the breast size, so that we can remove that lump and we can mobilize other tissues from the surrounding of the breast to fulfill that defect, to fill that defect, so that the final outcome remains good. What else should we know about oncoplastic breast surgery? How can we achieve it? Supposedly, if a patient has a small breast, can we still do oncoplastic breast surgery? Yes, we can still achieve it. How? Generally, we can take tissue from other sites, such as we can take tissue from back, what we call as a latissimus dorsi flap, or we can take tissue from abdomen, what we call as tram flap, or we can mobilize other tissues from the breast to achieve that. In this surgery, we try to make sure that the final outcome remains as much good and comparable to the other breast, so that after the surgery, the breast of both the breasts look symmetrical and of equal shape and size, so that the woman feels confident and better when she comes out. So, when can we do it? Well, we can do it at the time of the primary surgery, or we can do it later also. We also have the option of implants, but implants they will use foreign bodies which are put. So a better option will be to use your own body parts, like these flaps. Other than that, do we need specialized surgeons for that? Now, why were these surgeries not done before? These surgeries were not done before because the earlier concept involved that we have to remove the entire breast for the proper treatment of cancer. But the current concept, and which has been scientifically proven, that these breast conservation surgeries, these oncoplastic surgeries, are equally effective in treating breast cancers as is removal of the entire breast. So, as a patient, you don't have to worry that whether there's a chance that you will get the breast cancer back if you spare the breast. No, they have been proven oncologically, that is, as far as cancer is confirmed, these two are proven oncologically equal. So you don't have to worry absolutely about that point. What else should we know about oncoplastic breast surgery? Oncoplastic breast surgery is a specialized field. We have nowadays residents are going specialized training for the same. And we here at Sarvodaya Healthcare perform the best oncoplastic surgeries and get the best results. Other than that, you also should know that for all these lumpectomies, that is where we remove only the breast tumor and not the entire breast, it is mandatory that you have radiation after the surgery, because the results of this lumpectomy, that is the surgery plus radiation, will be equal to the removal of the entire breast. And other than that, oncoplastic surgeries are usually which we offer to the early breast cancer patient. Now, what does early breast cancer mean? For that, you have to understand that breast cancer, for like any other cancer, has four stages. Stage one, where the cancer is localized to its original area and has not spread around. Stage 2, where the size is more than 2 centimeter but restricted to 5 centimeter. Stage 3, where there is involvement of lymph nodes in the axilla. And stage 4, where it is spread to other parts of the body. Now, oncoplastic surgery or breast conservation surgery can be performed for early stages. That is, the tumor is limited only to the breast and not spread to the other parts of the body. Even when the tumor is spread to axilla, that is the nodal disease, we can still perform an oncoplastic surgery. Apart from that, in some patients who have small breasts and large lumps, now in that situation, we might offer upfront chemotherapy. That is, we will first give chemotherapy, shrink the tumor, but before doing that, we'll put a marker in the lump so that once the tumor has shrunk, we can go back again and remove what is left. So that with that, we can also perform these surgeries even in small breasts. So, friends, uh, here I take this opportunity to inform you about that even if you are suffering from breast cancer, or if any of your known to or relatives is suffering from breast cancer, please tell them to discuss with their oncosurgeons, to discuss with their primary physicians, their doctors about the option of breast conservation surgery, because this is a very important thing, because spiritually, mentally, and it affects our health. It makes a lot of difference that we can still keep you can still keep the breast even after the completion of entire breast cancer treatment. So, as an oncosurgeon, I would request you, I would ask you, if you want to know anything else, if you want to discuss about your options of breast conservation surgery, please visit us at Sarvodaya Healthcare Faridabad, and we can discuss in detail about the various options, the types of reconstructions which are available, and we will, and we can, and we're very sure we'll do the best possible to make sure that you have a very healthy and a very nice recovery. Thank you.